In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all emails from Gmail at once on your iPhone, so this shouldn't take any longer than 2 minutes, so let's jump into it. So what you first need to do, you need to go ahead and open up Gmail on a web browser, because to delete emails on Gmail on the app, the only thing you can do is check the emails on your screen and then kind of like delete them in bulk, but you can't select all of them and delete all of them. So we need to go out of the Gmail app, and you then want to open up a web browser, whether that be Google Chrome or Safari or any web browser, it doesn't really matter. I'm using Google Chrome. I'm assuming most of you are going to be using Chrome as well. Now, once you're inside of Google Chrome, you want to just go ahead and head over to Gmail. So go ahead and just type in gmail.com, and then that should then take you inside of Gmail. Now, most likely you're going to be on the mobile version, which is not the version we want. We actually want to change to the desktop version. Now on Google Chrome, all you do is you click on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner, and then if you scroll down, you can request the desktop site. Now you can also do this on Safari. The button might just be in a different place, but click on your options button on Safari or your menu button and then request the desktop site. Now chances are when you click it, it's not going to actually change to the desktop site. So to get around this, just go ahead and go and type in Google, and then once you're on Google, just do a search here for Gmail, and you can see now we are in the desktop site. So then we can go to the first link, which should be Gmail, and now you can see we're in the desktop website. So what you want to do now is make sure you're logged into the right Gmail account. So I'm going to scroll to the top right hand corner of the screen, and I'm going to change my account to one that I can just show you how to do it on. Okay, so it turns out I don't really have an account that I want to delete all emails on, but I will show you what you need to do. So it is very simple. You just want to scroll or zoom in to the search bar, and then below the search bar, you'll see this square icon with an arrow pointing down. Click on that, and it will select all of your emails on this page. Now, if you go ahead and scroll to the right, you can then select all of your emails which are in your account. So in my case, select all 51,000 emails, click on that, and you can see that all of your emails are selected. And then you just want to go to the trash can icon. I'm going to be careful here because I don't want to delete all of them, but click on the trash can icon, and then all emails on your account will be deleted. I hope that helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did.